Easy maintenance. When it comes to maintaining your living space, minimalism is like a breath of fresh air. Gone are the days of dusting off countless trinkets, moving piles of papers, or trying to organize cluttered shelves. A minimalist home is inherently easier to maintain because it's designed with simplicity in mind. With fewer items to care for, you spend less time tidying up and more time enjoying your space. The sleek, clean surfaces typical of minimalist interiors don't just look good, they're practical too. From open shelving to smooth countertops, there are fewer places for dust and debris to hide. When you do need to clean, it's a breeze because there's less to move around or reorganize. Plus, the streamlined design ensures that everything you own has a designated place, so you're not scrambling to figure out where things go. The simplicity of minimalist design also means that your home will retain its elegant charm with minimal upkeep. Whether it's a quick wipe down of your furniture or a dusting of your windowsills, maintaining a minimalist home requires far less effort than traditional, clutter-filled spaces. Imagine being able to spend your weekends relaxing instead of managing the never-ending cycle of cleaning and reorganizing. Minimalism doesn't just simplify the look of your home, it simplifies your life.